Well, I've been a member for 25 years. I did the class on etching. After that I decided I'll become a member. What I like about lino cut, it's quite a bold way of working. That was mostly printed using a barn because it's more hands-on. You could use a press, but I felt it's more personal. You can actually print anywhere at all. It allows you to do large scale, but it takes longer to print. The title is Glasgow Sketchbook. It tells the story of Glasgow as well because it's got the Glasgow motto, which is the tree, the bell, the fish and the bird. It's quite a symbolic rhyme. It represents the arms of the Glasgow. It was quite a tricky one because they're individual lino blocks, trying to get everything to kind of the colours to get match exact and the pressure. So you've got to keep on looking at the print and then going back and then rubbing more of the print. So it takes a while. It takes maybe about a half an hour or more to print.